Week 3, it's quarter to 12. I'm not in bed, so clearly not doing very well at my goal of getting more sleep. But my second goal, I have made some progress on. My second goal was around developing our pastoral care program for 2021. I haven't gone to the stage of my first action, which was to ask colleagues to form writing teams. Well, in some ways I have. There was a survey sent out to staff this week that asked them to volunteer if they were interested. But I've started to think about who are the staff that I could tap on the shoulder or actually just ask them if they would be willing to do it alongside me because they have some expertise. So I started to think about, okay, like what are the lesson plans and units of work that need to be written, and who in our school do I know who has skills, abilities, and passions in that particular area. So I've started to kind of make a little mental list about who they are, and I think that's something that I can move forward on in the next week or so. So yeah, that's probably something that I'm going to focus on. Um, yeah, so I think that's probably it for this week. I haven't made much progress. That's okay. At least I'm thinking about it, and hopefully next week's a little bit better.